Class ninth, we have discussed question answer in this exercise already, and today we will do the remaining exercise thinking about the language. Look at the following sentence. There was a glad sense of relief when she heard the noise of the carriage growing fainter. Here, glad means happy about something. Was a glad sense means happy about. Glad, happy, pleased, delighted, thrilled, and overjoyed are the synonyms. Clear? Synonyms means having the words having similar meanings, expressions that have the same or nearly the same meaning. Clear? However, they express happiness in certain ways. So all these words are used to express or show happiness. Read the sentence below. She was glad when the meeting was over. So means she was happy when the meeting was finished. The chief guest was pleased to announce. So means the chief guest was happy to announce the name of the winner. So listen, these glad and pleased, delighted, thrilled, overjoyed, these words are used for showing the happiness. But what? Use the appropriate, listen, but these all words are used in a very different manner. Clear? So means they show the limit or how much the people or person is happy. So these words are used differently accordingly. So use an appropriate word from the synonym given above the following. Center clues are given in the brackets. Listen students, the meaning: she was by the news of her brother's wedding very pleased, मतलब बहुत ज़्यादा खुश हुई. तो she was thrilled by the news of her brother's wedding. I was delighted to be invited to the party. Delighted means extremely pleased and excited. So delight, happiness, with happiness there is excitement also. So then delighted. So I was delighted to be invited to the party. So here extremely pleased and excited. She was here extremely happy. तो she was overjoyed, ज़्यादा खुश हो गई, बहुत ज़्यादा, very happy at the birth of her granddaughter. The coach was pleased means satisfied about. तो here pleased can be appropriate. Pleased with his performance. She was, तो ग्लैड भी लगा सकते हैं आप, ग्लैड और पीस सिनोनिम हो जाएंगे. शी वॉज वेरी हैप्पी विद हर रिजल्ट. हैप्पी अबाउट समथिंग दैट हैज़ हैपन्ड. तो हैप्पी इज यूज इन सिंपल वे. तो शी वॉज वेरी ग्लैड और हैप्पी विद हर रिजल्ट्स. Now comes exercise 2. The study the use of the word big in the following sentence. He was so big. His hands and his neck, especially his mouth. So clear, this dialogue is from the text. When Kejia saw his father who was sleeping on the sofa, and she was staring at him and find that he was very big, his hands, his neck, especially his mouth. So here big means large in size. You know very well the same meaning. Now consult a dictionary and find out the meaning of big in the following sentences. So listen students, big sometimes used in different way also in English. So the first one has been done for you. For example here, you are a big girl now. Big girl means older, means big in age, older in age. So you can say like this, you are a big girl now means you are older. Now you are a mature girl. Clear? Today you are going to take the biggest decision of your career. So here biggest decision, so means the most important decision of your career. Clear? So here the biggest mean the superlative degree of big. So means the big is used differently in both of the sentence and in other also. Their project is full of big ideas. So their project is full of big ideas means great ideas, good ideas. Cricket is a big game in our country. So very popular. Here big game is the very popular game of our country. So listen students, see the use of big in different way and also try to use these words clear in your conversation also. Clear? So then you can understand what the really meaning of big in different way. I am a big fan of Lata Mangeshkar. Big fan means great fan, बहुत बड़ा fan है. तो you have a cook, I'm sorry, you have to cook a bit more as my friend as a big eater. तो you have to cook a bit more means तुम्हें और ज़्यादा पकाना पड़ेगा as my friend, because my friend is a big eater means great eater. He eats a lot means he is a glutton or he eats a lot. बहुत ज़्यादा खाने वाला है. What a big heart you have got, father dear. तो this is the last line. तो what a big heart here means a large heart, a large hearted fellow. So big heart means a very large hearted fellow who has a love and compassion for everybody. So such type of heart, having such type of heart, large heart means who has compassion and love also. The next one, verb of refuting. Direct and indirect, you know very well. Study the sentence. What? Screamed mother. No, no, she whispered. Sit up, he ordered. Listen, student. So these are the direct narration, you know very well. The words which are put in inverted commas and the reporting verb part. So the italicized word are verbs of reporting. Italicized part means this one, screamed, whispered and ordered. जो तिरछे लिखे हैं, italicized you know very well. We quote or report what someone has said or thought by using a reporting verb. Clear? Every reporting clause contains a reporting verb. For example, he promised. So promised is the reporting verb here. And here Seema asked. Asked is the reporting verb. So these are the reporting verbs. Clear? So reporting verb are used to show the thought or the idea which is used by the speaker of the reporting verb. Here comes the next exercise. I'm sorry, the exercise related to this. So we use verb of reporting to advise, orders, report, statement or thoughts, intentions, questions, requests, apologies, manner of speaking and so on. Clear? So such type of, you know how to change them. So listen students, these all type of things can be clear or short. After reading the reporter, you can understand this point. Underline the verbs of reporting in the following sentence. Now you have to find out the reporting verb, which I already have underlined. He says he will enjoy the ride. So says is here reporting verb. Father mentioned that he was going to holiday. So mentioned is reporting verb. Reporting verb, you know, the part in which there is a speaker and the manner of speaking. Clear? The verb, action verb. No one told. Told is here. Answered, wondered, told, apologized. So these are the reporting verb in the following sentences. This exercise, some verbs of reporting are given in the box. Choose the appropriate verbs and fill in the blanks in the following sentence. Were complaining, shouted, replied, remarked, ordered or suggested. We should have to use these words in here. I am not afraid, the woman. So I am not afraid is written in inverted commas. It means it is the reported speech and you should have to fill reporting verb. Subject is given here. So I am not afraid, replied the woman. Clear? So it is a statement. So replied is more suitable here. Leave me alone, my mother shouted. So this, after reading this sentence you can see that shouted is most appropriate word here. The children were complaining that the road was crowded and noisy. Perhaps he isn't a bad sort of chap after all, remarked the master. Let's go and look at the school ground, suggested the sport teacher. So listen students, when let us come there, so suggested is the most suitable or appropriate word and proposed can also be there. The traffic police ordered all the passenger by to keep off. To is here, so you should have to use order. So listen students, these are very clear. Do this in your book, complete this, and now our third chapter is complete, the little girl. We will start the next poem on our next video.